Today I'm going to go through pullbacks or retracements, if you want to call them that, and explain what I look for in a pullback and what I don't look for in a pullback. So, to briefly go through how I look for trades, I mean 95% of my trades are this type of trade, so like a swing trade, um, and they're really simple and easy to trade. So basically, we've got a key level marked of a swing low. And now what I'm doing is I'm waiting for price to break through this level, and then once it's broken through and pushed lower, I'm looking for a retracement or a pullback back to this level to confirm that this level is now acting as resistance rather than support. So to confirm this, I'm looking for a price action setup. So a bearish price action setup would be what I'm looking for here to push the market back down. So what I'm trying to do is use this current momentum and get back in on this current momentum. I'm not looking further back at the charts to see what's happened a month or a year ago. I'm just currently looking at the current momentum and trying to use that to get into the market. So a handy tool to guide us to check that these pullbacks are large enough is the Fibs retracement tool. So I've slightly modified it to make it really easy and quick to check that the pullback is large enough. So for a pullback to be large enough, I'm looking for it to be around the 50 to 61.8% retrace. So it's in this zone. I'm looking for price action. Obviously, it's got a time with the key level. Levels are king, and if there's no level that ties in with the 50 or 61%, then it doesn't matter. I have to have the key level there. That's the main point I want to put out there. But this Fibs tool really helps to just double check that it's pulling back enough to allow for the trade to have enough space to move back into. So what do I mean by having the right amount of space? Well, if we took a trade back up here at this nice key level, the last swing point is down here, so we've got a fair distance before it's going to come down to this level. If we took the 38.2 retracement, which would be vaguely around here, we took a setup from here. Now we're trading back straight into this lower level, and as you can see, the distance is a lot smaller, so it means the trade's got less space to move into, and that's not what we want. So I'll just show you another example, because let me just remove this, and I'll move this down to this recent swing low here. So again, very simple. Mark this level up, watch to see if price could break through. It did, continued on lower. So as soon as this support's broken, my radar switched on to hunt for trades back up after the pullback to confirm that this level is now acting as resistance. So again, I'm looking for a bearish price action setup to get me into this trade to push this lower. Unfortunately, there's no setup for me here, but this is just to highlight how I go looking for trades. So again, I can quickly throw up the Fibs tool on the last high to the last low, and again you can see this zone ties in lovely with the key level, so it just adds a bit more weight to this trade, which is really handy. So I'm hoping this video has maybe made you think about retracements or pullbacks, and whether you're looking for them in the right place or whether you're taking too shallow pullbacks. If you head over to my website, don'tlettheforexdriveyouupthewall.com, There's a whole load of information on how I trade and everything you need to know about price action to get you trading properly. If this video has helped you out, I'd much appreciate it if you can give me a like or a comment. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you in the next video.